big drama. I've just burst the seal on one of the oil filters and it's pissed out oil everywhere. I've lost about 4 or 5 litres. It's hit the side wall up there about 4 metres up in the air. The other major problem is that it's actually gone straight into the inlet in number 6 because I don't have a manifold yet. There's oil everywhere. I'm gonna have to. I filled up the oil and I've tried to start it, but it won't actually turn over. I'm kind of a little bit worried. I'm gonna pull the shit, I can't even talk. Pull out the glow plugs and hopefully empty out the oil because I'm pretty positive that it's hydrolocked. I don't know how I'm going to go, but as I turned it off, that's when it started to limp, and the engine kind of went backwards, and I had to put it in gear to shut it down. Anyway, we'll see what happens. We'll try and clean it out and restart it. God help me. Let's hope it's not another pull apart. I can't be doing this again.